right? There's the whapping, that's just like you all in a line. Now, if I want to represent a high-pitched sound, what should I do?
Soft.
Real quick, right? Didn't we say that it's a quick vibration? That's a high-pitched sound. This would be a low-pitched sound. But what if I take this sound and make it louder? What would I have to do? Not that. That's what makes it high-pitched. This is a low-pitched, quiet sound. This is a low-pitched, loud sound because I'm whapping very hard and not very frequently. How can I make a quiet, high-pitched sound?
Soft. Frequently, but soft.
Frequently, make it high-pitched but very soft. Make it very quiet. Right? This would be a scream! Because it's very loud and it's very frequent and really, really hard and it's really, really frequent! Which makes a high-pitched sound. Okay? So there are two variables. It's hard to hang on to two variables at one time. You gotta think. Pitch is how frequent. How hard is how loud. Notice that the wave is not like this. It is like this. It's called a longitudinal wave. It goes back and forth. Not up and down. If you get done and you have a minute, it's really fun to just do this and have your friends